welcome back to Avery's Activities. Okay, so today we are going to be making a sleeping bag for a Barbie and also a bed for a Barbie. So we're going to start on the sleeping bag because I think it is the easiest thing. So first you need, and all the stuff you need is a Barbie and 2 socks. So first what you want to do is take one of your socks and fold it inside out like this. Take one of your socks and leave it regular. So first we're going to take our inside out sock and put it on the Barbie. It does not have to be perfect because mine's not going to be perfect. Nobody's going to be perfect. So let me put this on, and it doesn't matter what sock they don't have to match. I didn't get matching socks, they just kind of look the same. Then you're going to take this sock and put it over that sock. Okay. And I just left some of the green sock because I thought it looked a little cooler, but you don't have to do that. And there we have it, our sleeping bag. Okay, now we'll lay our Barbie doll right over here. And also next we're going to make a bed for a Barbie. This is really big. So first we're going to take, and all you need is a basket, 2 headbands, and pants and a t-shirt. I just got pajamas. I don't know why. I just did for some reason. So first you're going to take the pants, and it's like you're folding pants. So we're going to fold them that way, then keep folding up that way, and there we have it. It's your pillow. Then take your basket and put it in the front, in a side of the thing. Then you're going to take your t-shirt and you're going to lay it down on the back like this. Then you're going to fold the sleeves in, and then you're going to fold it, the top half, and fold the neck half where you can't see that. Then fold the sides and flip it over and put it in the bed on the other side of the pillow. And then take your Barbie here and you can lay her down in it. And now we're going to take these 2 rubber bands, and you see here on the side I have these bumps. So I'm going to stick one of the rubber bands in it and make sure on each side they're on the same square. Okay, so right here. Oh, and make sure they're right side up because we don't want it looking kind of weird. Okay, and there we have it. It's our bed. So that was fun today, and if you're new at Avery's Activities, well, welcome to our videos. And have a great day. And if you haven't press the subscribe button, press it, and also ring that bell. Ding, ding, ding.